Welcome to the world of discount clubs. These innovative platforms provide vast opportunities for customers to save. Combining the convenience of both online and in-store shopping, they offer exclusive discounts and deals to members. People join discount clubs primarily to save key resources, money and time, and, in some cases, to access unique products and services not found elsewhere. In this video, we'll navigate this exciting avenue and explore the multiple benefits it holds for members. Membership at discount clubs unlocks a world of benefits. It includes cost-saving discounts on a plethora of products, access to special deals, and the thrill of exclusive offers that are off-limits to non-members. Adding to this allure are customer reward programs, where your every purchase earns points, consolidating further savings. This combination defines the massive appeal of discount clubs and underscores why they're a game changer in the retail sector. Discount clubs offer varying membership packages, each uniquely designed to cater to different shopping needs. Some memberships focus on specific categories like groceries or apparel, while others offer overarching discounts on a range of products. High-tier memberships might unlock deeper discounts, early access to sales, or even exclusive items. Understanding these packages allows you to tailor your discount club experience, maximizing your benefits and reaping the most out of every dollar spent. Becoming a member of a discount club is typically straightforward. Start by visiting their website or in-store location, where you'll find details about the membership process. You may need to fill out a form with basic information, agree to the terms and conditions, and, in some cases, pay a membership fee. Once this is done, your membership is activated, and you're free to start enjoying those enticing deals and discounts right away. In conclusion, becoming a member of a discount club carries an array of perks. These range from extensive discounts to exclusive deals and customer reward programs. Each membership package presents an opportunity to tailor your shopping experience while maximizing your savings. With these advantages in mind, why not begin your journey today? Start taking full advantage of the thrills and delights of being part of a discount club.